Welcome back to my channel, my little foodies. Today we're going to be making a spaghetti soup. We're going to be using 2 cans of tomato soup, 4 packages of ramen noodles. I mean, can I just do the happy dance? Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Also, I decided to use ramen noodles instead of spaghetti because, you know what I mean, they're cheaper and they cook a lot faster. So, let's get back to the cooking. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for the water to boil, and I'm just going to add my ramen noodles into it. So I'm just going to open them up like this, right? Just take off the lid, of course. I still love my cast iron pot. I love it so much. Okay, so basically there. I'm just going to put it in. Ramen noodles down. Okay, I'm always going to keep the package because I'm going to add that. Well, you'll see a little bit later. Okay, so then I'm going to add all these. Oh my gosh, it's like one of them is super easy. Okay, so there we go. Make light. No! And they're fighting so much to get it. The noodles are flying all over the place. Number 2. Keep the package. Number 3. Oh yeah, back to the story. Anyways, I got this cast iron pot. Well, I got 4 of them. Actually, with my soon husband to be. We went to go. We were looking at pots and stuff, and they had this great sale already. So we go to the counter, and we put all the, the pots and the pans and stuff that we actually need. And this pot was already on sale for like $174, that was just amazing. I mean, seriously. Then after all of a sudden there was like another 50% sticker off that actually my husband to be would notice. Charles noticed it, right? So I was all the shy person here. Me and Charles was there at the counter and said, okay, this is another 50% off, right? And then they're like, oh no, we can't give you that. That was a mistake. And Charles is like, no, I want to see your manager right now. It was funny though. Anyways, the manager came and she goes, no, because the person actually, whoever put the sticker on, they put it on the wrong box, but they have to give it to us because it was on the box. So in reality, I got it for like $47. I mean, is that crazy or what? Okay, so now we're just going to leave that cook for a little bit while, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to be adding the tomato soup. My other cast iron pan, which I love so much. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 can. 1 can. Okay, so there. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. 1 can. I have to do this quick because it's in the pot. Oh. So adding 1 can. 1 can. Milk. Pour in. Done. Right? Leave that on the side. 2nd can. Tomato soup. Just loving it. There. Boom. Done. In. And then I'm going to put this here because I can't use spoons and metal spoons in cast iron pans, that's for sure. So I'll add the rest of the milk. It's a little bit on the shy side, but anyways, it'll do, right? Okay, so there we go. 2 cans in, of course, look, Frank's Red Hot sauce, and also my little packages. So what I do is that I just take little packages and I open them, of course, open, and then I just dump them in. Give them flavor to my soup. I'm not going to use 4 of them because, it could be a little bit overpowering and too much. And also I add Frank's Red Hot sauce. I put the shit on everything, sorry. Okay, so what I do is I actually add a few little dabs inside, you know what I mean? give it that extra little kick. That's up to you. I mean, it's your choice, right? Now, so we'll just let that cook, and then after we'll be back. All right, bye. Okay, so now we're going to be putting it all together. Okay, so yes, I understand that this is not really a bowl, but I mean, I tried to put it in a bowl before, and it just didn't work. So I decided I'll put it in this, because it is 4 packages of noodles, right? So I just put it, emptied it out in the colander, and then look, if you can see, 4 noodles, right? Yeah, I'm using my hand, but oh well, you know what I mean, it is mine. So, and then now, I'm just going to take my soup. Hot, hot, hot. Always need gloves. Okay, and there. And now I'm going to be pouring it into my... These pans are actually really heavy. I mean, seriously, it's a good workout. Okay, so there. Now there we go. Here we go. I see. Loving it. I so love. Okay, so I'll keep. Welcome back, my little foodies. Right now, you know what time it is? It's time to eat this delicious spaghetti soup. So I'm gonna actually try with my chopsticks first. I've never actually, well, I've used chopsticks before, but I haven't actually used it in quite some time. So here we go. Look at this. It looks so delicious. I'm actually so excited because it's been so long that I haven't had spaghetti soup. I mean, the last time that I had it was when I was like a child. I was actually younger. Well, not younger, sorry. I was young, and I went to my cousin's house all the time. And you know what I mean? I went there, and all of a sudden, her mother introduced me to this fabulous, fast, and easy meal. Except for like she didn't use ramen noodles, but she used actual spaghetti. You know what I mean? And it was spaghetti soup, and that's how it was introduced into my life. And now I tweaked it up a little bit. I add some hot sauce. Sometimes I add some cheese and stuff like that. Depends on what, you know. But I mean, for a meal to bring me back to my childhood, I mean, it's just so amazing. You know what I mean? And I'm just so thankful for my cousin to actually introducing me to this. So we'll dig into it, okay? So bear with me. It's going to be my... Ready? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's fogging up my glasses. It's so funny. Okay, so I'm not going to use the chopsticks because it's going to take me so long to actually do it. So I'm just going to dig in with a fork. One on the side. Always good. Okay, so I'm going to twist and twirl it a little bit. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Also, my face right into the bowl was you couldn't even see anything. So anyways, here we go. It's actually really delicious. Just like I remembered it exactly. Well, I mean it's pretty simple, but it's not that. It's just the factor of that this can actually trigger, you know what I mean, my brain to remember something that happened like 20 years ago, if not longer actually. I'm not trying to give up my age, but anyways, and you know what I mean, it just brings back so, you know, so much memories. It's funny. I mean, I'm getting this emotional, a little bit on the emotional side because you know what I mean. It was just so much fun, like just eating, enjoying myself, you know. mm. Those were such a great times, you know, in my life actually. I mean, my cousin and that were actually really there for me. You know what I mean? They're the ones that actually helped me through my troubled times when I was younger and stuff. You know what I mean? And you know, they helped me so much, and I so appreciate that. And I appreciate all of them for everything that they did for me. You know what I mean? Taking someone in, you know what I mean, and looking after them and everything like that, and taking care of them and clothing them and feeding them and you know what I mean, and showing, you know, just loving them, you know. So I'm actually really, really happy for that. And this is what this meal brings to me, that moment of my happiness, of the love and the affection. And you know what I mean? I mean, it's just so hard. I don't even know the words really to say besides that. You know what I mean? Love, affection, kindness, caring. I mean, it was so exciting, so much fun. I mean, I've learned so much. So, back to eating, even though I can talk about that subject all day. But, you know what I mean? Actually, I might put a little bit more hot sauce in there. Frank's Red Hot. But, yeah. Just the perfect amount of Frank's Red Hot. Gosh. I mean, I have stuff dripping off my mouth. I mean, it's just amazing how childhood goes by so fast. You know what I mean? And I mean, so many of my friends say, dude, like, I don't have any children, right? But I mean, they tell me, and they're like, I mean, it's like just yesterday they were a baby and changing diapers and doing all that fun stuff, you know what I mean? And then now all of a sudden they're going to high school, or they're getting married, or they're, you know what I mean, going to college. I mean, it's just crazy how time flies by so fast. That's why I used to, like, now I look at every day like it's my last. I know it's sort of a saddish thing to say, but you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Enjoying every moment that in that day. You know what I mean? Enjoying my delicious spaghetti soup. Enjoying having this amazing conversation with my little foodies. You know what I mean? Things like that. It's just, you know, I start to realize that, you know what I mean, that time flies by so fast. And of course, my little Brady, as you can see, right back there. Yeah, waiting for some droppings, I guess. But, you know what I mean, time goes by so fast. Time is so short. I mean, it's it's incredible. I mean, I was with my husband to be, Charles, for about 15 years now. I mean, 15 years flew by. It just felt like a year or a year and a half. I mean, at tops. Oops, excuse me. Sorry about that. But yeah, well, back to this delicious. Actually, it is really delicious. I really, really love the fact that, you know what I mean, like spaghetti doesn't take that long to cook, but I love that the ramen noodles, because they're so fast. You just pop them in. It's not even less than 5 minutes. You know what I mean? Then you add. I mean, it's a fast, easy meal, and it's actually pretty delicious. And you can tweak it to any way that you want. I mean, seriously, you can add cheese. You can add uh, um, Italian sausage. I mean, I've done that before. Oh, this is such a great. Oh my god, I didn't even eat all day because actually I knew that I was actually going to be making this, so I said, well, I mean, you know what I mean? I'll save it because that way I can actually eat a lot. Oh, I don't want to eat too much of it, you know. Oops, it dripped back in the bowl. Mm. Oh, it's actually so delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page. Right there. Wait. Oh, right there at the bottom. Ah! Anyways, it's in the corner. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share if you like it. Mhm. I'm just enjoying myself so much. You know what I mean? Also, I mean, how long did it take me? It took me what? Not that long, actually. I mean, how much ingredients did it cost? I paid about $1.25 at the dollar store for the 5 packages. I didn't put 5 because I wanted to keep one. Um, and I paid $1.25, almost around, no, $1.50 for the 2 cans of tomato soup. I mean, $1.50, $1.25, that's, $2.75. Anyways, back to this delicious meal. Mm. 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 Wow. It's so delicious. Mm. 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 I really thank my little foodies for watching and following and subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have other little foodie friends that want to, enjoy watching, food and eating food like I love eating food, just please subscribe and like to my channel. All right, so I'll let you go for now, my little foodies, and I'll see you next time. All right, have a great day.